Alright.
We're done? Yeah?
Yeah, I don't want to step over any of your shit. Take a finished look at the end product.
It's so cute with the little
Stand up for
my little slip. Ouch.
Alright, you happy?
I think I have sex hair right now. Is that what's going on?
Felicia, sister, Jean. Are you happy with your birthday present?
Yeah.
Okay, happy birthday.